Okay, you guys, in this clip, basically because I did not do a full tutorial from beginning to end on how I parted my twists, this is just trying to show you how I use the bricklayering method and what it kind of looks like. Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do is section off your hair. And then when you section it off, you're going to moisturize, add whatever products to your liking. I added a curly cream as I showed you in the previous screens. I had the curling cream by Miss Jessie, and then I followed that up with the African shea butter. And then at the root, which I didn't do it in the example that I'm showing you, but at the root you want to apply the silken jam, or you can apply any type of gel that you want. And then throughout the twist, I applied Murray's Edge wax throughout the twist. So when you see me leaning over, it's because I'm swiping that on my finger and then twisting as I go that product into my hair. So once you've done that, you're going to take one single braid. Now on the back of my hair, I used one single braid. And all you have to do is just slide your fingers in between the hair and then stretch it out. And this will loosen up the hair. It'll fluff it out a little bit. The more you pull, the fluffier it'll be. And it makes it easier and will not tangle if you do this part first. See, easy breezy, pull the part. Now you're going to overlap. The shorter the hair at the top in your overlap, the longer your twist will be. So mine is average. I did this throughout my hair, and I just used the one strand, and I used that one strand throughout the back of my hair, and I used half a strand in the front, and I'll show you how I did that. So you're just gonna go ahead and braid, and you're gonna braid that to your liking. And you go as far down as you want. When I had longer pieces of hair, I went further down. Or I went about 8 braids down. But if the hair was short, I just braided it all the way. And then I started my twist. So it's up to you how far you want to go down on your braid. Once you get to a certain part of the braid, you can pull it apart and then add that into your twist so that both strands of hair have your hair in it. And you just begin twisting, and you're going to twist left over right, left over right. You could do right over left. It does look different. I tried that out. You can try and see what that looks like for yourself, but you're going to go left over right, left over right. Nothing fancy, no twisty, just left over right, all the way down until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you're going to cut that hair off. And sometimes you don't even have to cut it off, depending on how the twist ended. And you'll know what I mean. You'll see what I mean when you get to the end of the hair. Not all hair has to be cut, and unless you want like a certain length. But you'll just twist all the way down, and you'll apply the edge, the Murray's Edge wax or whatever gel to your liking as you're twisting all the way down. It just makes for a cleaner look, and it makes you grip the hair better and make the hair hold. So here I'm showing you how, now that I'm towards the front, I'm only going to use 1/2 of the twist. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull it apart, slide your fingers through it, bam, easy, separates the hair real easy, and it's already fluffy. I'm going to just fold that one strand in half, taking half of it, and I'm going to start my braid. Because my hair is really thin in the front, and this made it easier to grip my hair, and it just is lighter on my strands in the front because I have thin hair in the front. And you just put it in half and you create your braid using one half of the twist, and you go ahead and follow through as before. So here to finish off the last piece of hair, I just took the other half of the one piece that I split in half, and I am going to use this other half to go ahead and finish off my hair. And as you can see, I just split it in half and created my braid and followed through as before. And when I got to the end of this last piece that I didn't even cut it because it coiled nicely. I added some gel at the bottom and it curled perfectly. Didn't need to cut it. I didn't feel the need to cut that. And this is the finished look. It was so easy. I really like this style. It's held up now for about 2 months. I'll probably do an update on what it looks like when I hit the 3rd month. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.